Hey guys, it's Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what day it is? That's right, it is February's Stitch Fix month. I don't know why I continue to call these unboxings because I don't unbox them on camera. But yes, today is my February Stitch Fix try-on. It's more legitimately a try-on. This month, it's pretty cool. I think this month, if I remember correctly, one of these days I'm gonna remember to screenshot my requests for my stylist, because by the time the box comes, I can't remember what I asked for. But I'm pretty sure for this month I asked for sleeveless tops and like flowy dresses, so less form-fitting ones and a little bit more flowy, because it may be snowing, sleeting, raining, cold as I don't know what outside, but I am so ready for spring. So I'm in that mindset. Whether or not I can wear the clothes for like 2 more months or not, you know, whatever. We just go with it. So for this month, I'm fairly certain that's what I asked for. I wanted something in particular because I am going to New York for a weekend with my boyfriend. So I was like, maybe throw something in there that I could potentially wear to events. So yeah, that's cool. So for this month, I got, oh, and I also asked for a purse. I had seen like a bunch of really cute Satchel purses recently. So if you don't know what that is, that's the purse where it's like got a long strap that you can wear on your shoulder, or it's got like the short straps where you can just hold it. You know, it's very versatile. So I did ask for one of those, and Embroidered delivered. So this month I got 2 sleeveless tops, a dress, an off the shoulder top, because I'm pretty sure I just keep asking for off the shoulder tops, as well as a Satchel purse. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop into this. I am gonna tell you all now that once again, I did not stick with my resolution of only buying 1 or 2 items in each box because my stylist is too damn good. It's a problem. Actually, this month really didn't cost me much because I did request to drop the price on some items, like tops. I think I said, you know, cheaper than what I was normally playing with. So yeah, it was a little bit cheaper than I've been paying, so that was great. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with the box. The first thing I'm gonna show you is the purse, just because it's kind of hard to do a try-on video with these, but yeah, it's cute. So this is the purse. As you can see, it is clearly a satchel. It's got the short handles. It's also got the long strap. This purse is hella cute. When I first saw the picture though, if you know, I tend to cheat when I get my Stitch Fix when it ships. I pretend I'm checking out so I can see the items that are being shipped to me. It's a problem, I'm very impatient. But the picture looked more like coral color, but it is a red, which I'm very excited for. So this is my handy dandy cheat sheet. This is by Urban Expressions. It is the Kiki double zip mini satchel. Once again, you all need to work on your names. They're too long. So as you can see, it has a lot of space. Even though it's a smaller purse, it does have a lot of space. It's got a pocket here. It's got a pocket here in this little zip part right here. Well, that's not really a pocket. That's a pocket in a pocket. And then a pocket over here. That's a lot of zippers going on right there. But this is a red, really cute. So if you feel like wearing it like this, or even just holding it like this, you can do so. But if you get tired, like I do most of the time with my purses, you can just put it on your shoulder. And this purse is $58. Honestly, that's really good for a purse. Most of my purses come from Target, but their prices are getting a little bit up there. I think I paid like 40-some dollars for a purse from Target recently, so on par. I really like this purse a lot. I will probably take this with me to New York when I go, just because I think it's a perfect size. Next up is the dress. Like I said, I asked for a more flowy dress, little less, you know, form-figured, whatever, just because in the springtime, I like to have that flow. And this dress is by Market and Spruce. It is the Clover embroidered trim dress. It is a size extra small, which, you know, once again, makes me feel really good. And it retails for $74. I really like this dress. I don't have many green dresses. I have 2 green dresses. One is a long sleeve, just cotton dress from, I think, Old Navy. It's flowy, but it's definitely a more wintry dress. And then I also have one that came from Stitch Fix that's, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's not like this. But this is a very flowy spring dress. As you can see, it's got some beautiful floral print on it. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it at first, but then when I saw it on, it was just really cute. I also really like how detail, it's a green dress, but it's got like a blue crochet to it. I really like that. And this is at the bottom of the dress. But yeah, it's very flowy, moves easily. perfect for spring. Next up is the off the shoulder top. I am just obsessed with off the shoulder tops. I guess it's just because I'm finally happy with my shoulders and collarbones, so I like to show them off during the summer and spring. And this is by Tart. It's the Xella on-off shoulder layered knit top. I love this. First of all, the main color in it is black, so of course I like it. It's black, it's gray, it's pink. Actually work with my pants that I got on today. I got some hot pink pants on. You know, really pretty floral print for spring. I don't normally like this kind of material right here. Like, well, I like the material, but like how it kind of, it's like extra material. I don't normally like stuff like that, but I really like it on this top. This top is just, first of all, it's super soft. This is an extra small as well, and it retails for $44. So yeah, I said stay on the cheaper side for tops. So I'm really excited about this one. This will be a go-to during the summer, spring concert season, especially if the concert's outside. Really excited about this. Next is one of the sleeveless tops I got. Again, I got two. I really like this one a lot. I didn't think I was going to because I'll show you the two reasons why I didn't think I was gonna like it. But this is by H&C Collection. It is the Westcott Crossfront top in red, and this is actually a size small. I think it's because the material doesn't give as much. You can see it's sleeveless. It's not polka dot. From a distance it looks polka dot, but you can see that it's actually like a little bit more intricate of a design. It's still kind of a flowy top, but again, the material doesn't give as much. So the two reasons why I didn't think I was gonna like it. One, these tassels. I'm not normally a fan of tassels, but if they're on the front part of the top, I don't usually mind them. But some tops I've seen recently have them on the sides or like on the sleeves, and I'm just like, why? Ew. So I don't mind them as much. They don't really distract from the top. The other reason why I didn't think I was gonna like it is because it's this cross front, and it kind of, you know, has a little bunch down here, and I don't know, for some reason those don't always look the best on me, but I really love how red looks on me. So I'm very happy with this top. Again, a good summer spring concert top. Everything is a good summer spring concert top to me, let's just be honest. But I really do like this one. It is a little bit longer in the back, so if you want to cover your bum or non-existent bum, like in my case, this is the good top for that. And again, I don't think I said the price, but this is $38, which is so much better for sleeveless tops, in my opinion, just because I was paying like 50 some, 60 some for sleeveless tops, and I'm like, they're missing a lot of fabric compared to other tops. Why are they just the same price? And the last top is also sleeveless. It is solid black. I believe I specifically asked for a solid black sleeveless top. There was one in particular that I had seen. I can't remember if it was on Pinterest or if it was someone else's Stitch Fix video, but they didn't have that particular top, so Amba D sent me a different one, and once again, she nailed it. But this is by Market and Spruce. Again, if you know me, you know my love for Market and Spruce. And it is the Milagra lace detail blouse in black, size small, $54. So again, it's kind of pushing it, but I am willing to pay that price for this top. So this top does have some lace detailing at the top, which if you've watched me long enough, you know I'm a sucker for lace detailing. And then it becomes more of a solid black down at the bottom. I don't normally like this fabric. What kind of fabric is this? Just so I could be like, I don't like this fabric, and you're all like, well, what kind is it? It's like polyester and spandex. It's just, it's a weird feel to it. It's got a weird texture to it. Don't normally like that, but I couldn't feel it once it was actually on my body, so good for that. But it is like one of these halter necklines like this, so sleeveless bra for that one. It is very flowy, and you could really dress this one up or dress it down, or make a dress down outfit a little bit more dressy, if that makes any kind of sense. There is an open like keyhole in the back, little button fastener right here. Lace goes all around the top, back, and the front, and it is just, it's a flowy top, and I really like that. But again, it's a material that doesn't give, like say the dress or the off-the-shoulder top did. So at the end of it all, everyone wants to know the cost of things. Subtotal was $268, but if you buy all 5 items, get 25% off, which is $67 off. Order subtotal comes to $201. However, someone signed up with my code or my link or whatever. So thank you so much to that person who did it, because that took $25 off, and it came to $176, which, heck yeah, that was perfect. So for 2 sleeveless tops, an off the shoulder top, a dress, and a purse, it was $176. You best be sure I'm getting it all. Also, my styling pass is coming up for renewal, so if you don't know what that is, you pay a one-time styling pass fee. Can't remember the price right now. I want to say it's $49, but you don't have to pay the $20 every single month that you get Stitch Fix, and that styling fee goes toward whatever your purchase is for your next fix. So this, I think I got it this time last year, February, so it'll renew. Obviously I'm gonna renew it because I love Stitch Fix. You all seem to like Stitch Fix. It's one of my more popular videos on this channel, so thank you for that. But yeah, so I did buy all 5 items. I'm really excited for them. I'm definitely gonna take the purse and the black top with me on my New York trip, even though it's gonna be really cold. I think I can do something with the top. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite items were. I mean, you can let me know your least favorite items. It's a year of me allowing that kind of comment. I mean, I won't care because I'm getting all items and they're all for me, so whatever. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.